It's me, Kinghuman. See how lucky you are you get to watch one of my videos? Check it. Oculus Quest unboxing. There's the box. Give you an idea of how big it is. Here's what it's doing. Serial numbers on the bottom. This is how it comes. I don't know why you people like these unboxing videos. I don't get it. Anyway, Oculus Quest. Here we go. Shrink wrap. Shrink wrap gotta go. Shrink wrap. Shrink wrap. Shrink wrap. Shrink wrap is your friend. Oculus Quest. Okay, how does this open? This is the... Oh, it's a slider. Okay, so we slide it open. Get rid of the sleeve. Now, what? Oh, that's a lift. Get rid of that part of the box. And in here, we have the headset and the controllers and a box of accessories. So let's go for the accessories first. I'm sure this is the charger. If I can figure out this box. Okay. Yeah, batteries. A couple of batteries. Off-brand, naturally. And I don't know. Okay, the batteries. Oh shit! God damn it. Okay, the batteries come like this in this little box, and there's a booklet, a documentation in here, and okay, whatever. Now let's see what all the shit was that I dropped on the floor. Okay, I dropped this. Looks like maybe a charging cable. And I don't know what that is. Probably some kind of a faceplate adapter thing. We'll see later. It'll make sense later, I'm sure. Now, the actual Oculus Quest headset, which comes like this. Seems very sturdy. Yeah, this rubberized back headpiece seems like it would be comfortable. There's good padding around the actual headset. And then this sleeve, before you start, install the Oculus, not Oculus. I don't know what I'm thinking of. Anyway, okay, I'm not gonna take that off right now. And then the two controllers. Like so. Ooh, it's weird, these buttons here on the side feel a little sticky. I don't know why. Maybe it's just new plastic, and yeah, it's new plastic, so it's really hyper clean, I guess. So anyway, I'll put these back in here, and I don't know why. And that's it. That's all there is. Again, I have no idea why you imbeciles need to see somebody open a box of something like this, but you do. So I got this actually for a reason, and I'll be making follow-up videos on this, how it works, all that stuff. But hey, I'm excited. If this does what I need it to do, this is gonna be cool beans. Okay, go away, you annoy me. I'm gonna go install the app and see what's going on with this Oculus thingamajig. You kids and your toys, I don't understand. Freaking nonsensical stuff. All right, go away.